Good morning, CMS. Today is Thursday, October 8th, 2020. And as you can see, we're still in the big city. Nothing has changed. Still working on it. Technical difficulties. Oh well. But at least it's not the glitchy planet, because it was hard for me to even watch. All right, moving on. Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody. Today's menu for Thursday, October 8th, is lasagna roll-ups with marinara breadsticks, steamed peas, pears, or fresh fruit. Choice B, French bread pizza and tater tots. For breakfast, for Thursday, is fresh baked breakfast bar, banana, and milk. Now, we move on to Friday's menu. Choice A is beef barbacoa burrito, fiesta beans, salsa, sour cream, cucumber slices, mixed fruit, and fresh fruit. Choice B, pepperoni calzone with marinara. Breakfast, cinnamon bun Crunchamania. Yes, we have Crunchamania, so maybe it's all one. Cinnabon Crunchamania. And juice and milk. I almost want to get breakfast just because. I want to know what the Cinnabon Crunchamania actually is. I could just look it up, actually. All right. Now, reminder, tomorrow is Picture Day. Tomorrow is Picture Day. You know why? Because it's October 9th. Crazy. All right. Now, moving on to Socktober. Student Council's annual Socktober drive starts next week. That's right. This coming Monday, it starts. Now, please, use new socks that's still wrapped up in some type of packaging. All right? That's number one. Number two, it can be for any gender, any size. Okay? With that also being said, students who are attending school, you want to bring your socks into your home base because we're having a contest going on. The contest is how many socks can you bring in? The most socks, you know what you win? A donut party. That's what you win. Not a donut party. A donut party, which I think is pretty cool. Why? Because I love donuts, specifically maple donuts. In case anybody wanted to deliver those to me randomly, would be awesome. Now, remember, the drive starts this Monday, October 12th. And those students who are online, there's going to be a little drop off your donation in a bin that will be outside the cafeteria doors. Perfect. Now, we've raised quite a bit of socks. The goal is to beat what we raised last year. So thank you so much for your support, because the donations that you raise are going to families in this district. Thank you guys so much, especially with the cold weather coming. Now, we move on to shout-outs. Shout-outs. We got the 6th grade shout-out, and that is none other than Zufan Marlinas. Zufan Marlinas. Congratulations, Zufan. Today's 7th grade shout-outs goes to Evan Salinas. Congratulations, Evan. Today's 8th grade shout-out goes to Royce Zirkle. Congratulations, Royce. Now we move on to the teacher shout-out. Mr. Miller. Congratulations. Oh, look what we have here. October. We've got this October donation collection. Just in case you forgot, that's coming next week. The quote of the day: I never dreamed about success. I worked for it. Estee Lauder. Students, remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right, that is a wrap. Have a wonderful Thursday, Cloverleaf. Be safe, be smart, make good decisions, and be blessed.